I made 10 bands on OnlyFans in less than 3 months? Girl, let me spill the tea for you, okay? Stay tuned. You took another step onto my OnlyFans, so I know what you want. You want that Dakota cat, and you want me, and you want my vagina, but you rather pay for it. So therefore, here, you know what I'm saying? No. That's how my mind works. Welcome my little astronauts, it's your girl AshaKosh back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl AshaKosh back with another video. So this is the highly requested video of how I made 10 bands on OnlyFans during a pandemic after my shenanigans with my OnlyFans posting. So of course I knew this video was gonna happen because of course the video, so I was like, alright, let me actually do this. I was in my bag, okay? I was in my bag. I'm trying to get you guys in your bag, so that's why I'm making this video. Let's not slut shame, let's not put no stigma on people trying to get some money. Yes, this is not the ideal standards of how you're supposed to get money. Just because somebody is willing to do something that you're not willing to do doesn't mean you have any right on what they got going on with their lives. You guys don't know what predicament, what shoes people are in. Please do not judge. Please do not bash in my comments. It's just really not necessary because you mad because somebody else is making money on an app. It's all about what you put on the content. You don't have to put sexy stuff on OnlyFans. You can put whatever you want on OnlyFans. If you want to make cooking videos, you can put on OnlyFans and you can have people like watch those videos on OnlyFans. For me, I kind of personally want to start putting like videos like Trap Music Tuesday on OnlyFans because YouTube, they demonetize my videos every time I try to do it. So it's like I'd rather put it on OnlyFans where my fans will pay for that video so that I still get some revenue when it comes to that. So it's really about what you want to put on OnlyFans. If you want to put sexy, you can put sexy. If you want to put mediocre, you can put mediocre. But just whatever you put out on it is what you will get out on it. Okay? Thank you. Thank you for doing my TED Talk. Okay, with that being said, let's get into how we made that shamoney, honey. Okay. So when I initially started OnlyFans, if you guys want to see why I started OnlyFans or how I started OnlyFans, click this video before we get into this video. Okay, how I got into it. So I was really initially gonna do my twerking videos because I used to do like twerking videos on this channel. They're not up anymore because I'm not having it. I just felt like, you know, if you want to see me shake my ass, I'm not getting paid for you guys to watch me shake my ass. You know what I'm saying? So I rather I like to dance. I like to twerk. So I rather get paid to twerk on OnlyFans. Okay, and I always have my clothes on. Might have some lingerie, might have some bikinis, but the clothes are still on. What I post on OnlyFans is my prerogative. I post, if you guys want to see my OnlyFans, go click and look what I post. You know what I'm saying? But mostly on my TL, my feed, I post like regular twerking videos. I post regular pictures of me. Not regular pictures, like, you know, pictures. You know, I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Okay, this is a video, okay? So I post pictures of me and little 10-second videos maybe of me twerking, 10-minute video of me twerking, like little snippets, alright, of me, nothing too rated R, because I feel like when you first initially go on my OnlyFans, I don't want you to be like, oh my gosh, I see everything, because I feel like if you want to see more, you gotta pay more. So the initial like $20 gets you into like, you know, the little pictures, the fun stuff, you know, no. And if you want to make more, money with OnlyFans, you have to utilize PVV, which is pay per view. So those are in your messages. That's when that's how you guys send out messages. I recommend, they even have with the PVV, it's like you can schedule your post. So if you want, you can take a whole bunch of pictures one day out of the month, and then that same day upload them on OnlyFans, schedule them out throughout the post, schedule the amount of money you want to pay for those views. I'll show you guys how I'm doing these over on the side. So I'll put them in, I'll put one for preview, then I'll put some, and I'll put a message, you know, hey, you want to provide this message, blah blah blah, this is what it is, little description of the message, and then also put the fee. Sometimes I do 25, sometimes I do 50, sometimes I do 100, depending on what I'm giving you. If I feel like if I give you one picture and one video, I might charge 25 depending if I'm feeling generous that day. Depending on how that video and picture is looking. If it's looking like, you know, a little more rated R, then I'll give it, you know, $100. If it's giving me, you know, real 13, PG-13, I'm doing 25. It's a little, if I do 2 pictures or 2 videos, that's 50. That's a whole $100. But I do 1 video, 2 pictures, or 2 pictures, 1 video, that's $50. You see what I'm saying? I just make it up, and I just see how I'm feeling that day, and I'll just schedule it out throughout the week, or throughout the once a week, twice a week, whichever way, however you're trying to get paid. That is how I make the most of my money. I'll show you guys in my messages, and then I also get a lot of my money through subscriptions, where people follow me on my OnlyFans and they pay the $20 just to unlock it. And how I get those people on my subscription, I actually shout it out all the time on my Snapchat. Yes, I have a lot of followers, but you know, I grew my following. Just like anything, if you want to make money, you have to grow a fan base, you have to grow clientele, you have to grow your business. So if you want to do OnlyFans, you know, you have to utilize your social medias if you do have one. If you know, are on social media, I would definitely recommend you to, like, if you want to put it out there, that's the only way you're going to get the money. I'm just telling you, like, I'm just telling you how it works, okay? Don't shoot the messenger. So therefore, like, yeah, I don't, even when I be shouting out my OnlyFans, I be having on my pajamas, and I'm taking a screenshot of me, like, singing, looking real sexy, and I'll just have my, like, swipe up for my OnlyFans, and then when they get on it, they'll be like, okay, this is what it is. You know, just giving people a sneak peek before they see the real thing, okay? And that's how I get most of my subscriptions. And I post a subscription or follow my subscription at least once a week on my social medias, just so people can still know that I'm still doing it. And you know, if you want to, go check it out, okay? Because for me personally, being an influencer, I always get thirsty guys in my DMs, thirsty guys in my messages, and I just don't frankly want to pay attention. And now I'm using those thirsty guys. I don't mean to say it like that, but I'm using those thirsty guys and I'm turning into money instead of just having them thirsty in my inbox without replying. Like, now I'm able to entertain that side for my male followers, because I do have male followers. You know, for my female followers, they on my YouTube channel, they're watching my videos, they're watching my beauty videos, my hair videos. But you know, I also have male followers, and you know, males like the nasty, so you know, sex sells. Sad to say, but it do. And men got a lot of disposable income, ladies. Men have a lot of disposable income. You can also utilize OnlyFans by using the tip feature. Like, say I'm like, hey, if you guys want me to post this twerk video, this full video on my my feed, send me $5 tips, or send me a tip, and then I'll post it. You know, getting the money up and then posting a free video. You see what I'm saying? It's all about a money game. How you gonna get it? How you gonna finesse it? If you like these tips and this helped you out, definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Help your other sisters out, okay? Put them on game so that they don't have to be a bum no more, so they can, you know, get their money up. And definitely, you know, if you guys want to, follow me on OnlyFans, see what I post, so you get a little feel on what I'm saying that I do. Yeah, just have fun with it. If it's not fun, then don't do it. I'm not recommending everybody to do it. I'm just saying this is what I did. People always ask me how I did it, so this is just a video of how I did the damn fine. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, like the city girl said, I need to get that's gonna swipe them visas. So my personal opinion, if you're on my live, you're saying I'm so cute, you want to be with me, okay, if you want me, you think I look so cute and all that stuff, you know, go on my OnlyFans and send me some money, you know what I'm saying? Like, tip me. And first of all, I actually really bodied my hair today. Like, can I get a like for just the hair? Can I get a like for the makeup? Can I get a like just because it's me? Honey, please. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Child, I'm trying to see the next 300K. I'm just trying to grow my little following, okay? Just trying to grow the family. The astronauts trying to get strong in here. Trying to get, you know, trying to go 10 toes down in here, okay? Okay?
I have a great time with my life, and I want to share it. Greatness is not this wonderful, esoteric, elusive, God-like feature that only the special among us will ever taste. You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us.